Welcome to my channel Technical Guider. Hi friends, in this video I will tell you how to change layout of an Android phone to layout of an iPhone or Note 8. I will tell you how to change it at the end of the video. Till that, see all the layouts and please like and subscribe my channel. This is the layout of HTC Desire, which is my original phone. You can see this layout. This is the layout of Note 8. You can see it's much better than HTC. This is the layout of iPhone X. Of iPhone. To have a layout like iPhone X, you need to download the launcher iPhone X launcher. You can download it in Play Store. You have to download this first one. And for iPhone launcher, you have to search iLauncher i11. This is also very nice launcher. Download it. And if you like Note 8 layout, download Note 8 launcher. You can download any of these which you like the most, or you can also download all of them. After downloading the launchers, open the settings app and click on home. Click on the launcher you want. In some devices you may have to go to display to select your launcher. After selecting, go to home. For the first time it will take some time to load, but afterwards it will become as smooth as before. Please like the video.